If Google is the search engine, then why not to learn SEO from Google itself? Most people think SEO is guessing or tricks or magic, but Google literally publishes documentations that explain how Google search works. As an SEO, my job is similar to a lawyer. A lawyer studies law. I study search guidelines. Then I apply them strategically for businesses. Google has thousands of pages of documentations on ranking systems, how search works, what is SEO, content quality, spam policy, or algorithm updates. You can learn them online at Google Search Central. Search Central documents everything you can think of, starting from essentials, how Google search works. Do you really need an SEO? Sitemaps, report.txt, meta tags, crawler management, removals, canonicalization, redirect, JavaScript, or any other thing that is important for you to rank on Google. They have blog where you can read about the recent updates from Google itself, or the case studies where you can learn from brains who have implemented SEO. Businesses hire people like me to implement all these guidelines because it takes time, testing, and consistency. My name is Juma. I run RankRoot, a local SEO agency here in Winnipeg, and this is where I document the journey.